How to copy a comment on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a comment on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. And now let's choose a video that had a comment you want to copy. For example, this video. Now all you need to do is click on the comments and choose the video. And now all you need to do is keep clicking on the comment you want and you're gonna find this list. In the last option you're gonna find copy, click on it. And now this comment has copied. You can pass the comment, just click and you're gonna find the comment. And this is it. So hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like.